JD Richey here from fishwithjd.com, and here's your pro tip of the day. And this pertains to fish cleaning, which I know if you're like me, you've had some issues with in the past. And what I mean by issues is, where do you clean a fish? If you don't have some sort of fish cleaning station on your boat, which a lot of us don't, you go to the top of a cooler, maybe a piece of plywood, a piece of UHMW, that slippery cutting board stuff. And it's always like you're trying to cut a fish on an ice rink. And I've done it on the sand, I've done it on the lawn, and that's always a mess. The tailgate, slipping everywhere, making a mess. So one time I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna build something for my boat. I allocated like a couple $100 to do that. Went to Home Depot, started looking around, and then the light bulb went off in my head and I went, oh, I figured it out. Okay, so the first part of the plan is the good old AstroTurf mat for, 10 bucks or whatever. So that saved me a few bucks. And this you can put on anything. You can put on a tailgate, on the gunnel of your boat, the floor of your boat, the front step of your boat, on the bank even, picnic table, whatever. So that's great. You can cut your knife into this, and also it's easily washed, doesn't hold a bunch of stink. And then the main thing though is the fish don't stick to this. So I took that a step farther. So in my boat I thought, okay, well that's cool, but how can I have somewhere where I don't have to bend over kind of at a weird angle or whatever to clean fish like you would on the side of the gunnel or the floor. And I went to good old Wally World and got just a regular old TV tray. Take your TV tray, slap your grass mat on top, voila. Instant cleaning table, folds back down, hose it off, and you're good to go. For more tips, check out the Sports Expo's website, and you can get me at fishwithjd.com.